In this screenshot, we're going to be calculating area of composite figures. Okay, composite figures. So, what is a composite figure? Here is a composite figure. Composite figures are just basically two smaller rectangles that have been joined together. So if you look below here, you will see that they have divided these two rectangles down this line here. So we have area 1 rectangle and area 2 rectangle. So all of a sudden we don't need information up in this top rectangle like this. We don't need that information, and that's about all. So you just got to go back and find your normal formula. Area of a rectangle equals length times width. So if we call this, well, we already have, they've called this one area 1 underneath. So area 1, the length is still 6 centimeters times the width of area 1 is 5 centimeters. So area 1 will be 30 centimeters squared. But now we need to add on area 2. Area 2 equals, the length is 3 centimeters just here, and the width is 2 centimeters times 2. So the area of rectangle number 2 is 6 centimeters squared. Now, because it's a composite shape, we need to add area 1 and area 2's answer together. To do that, it will be 30 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. So our total area equals 36 centimeters squared. Let's try one more. Here's another composite shape. Okay, first we need to do is find out where's the two smaller rectangles in this shape. We have a number of ways we could do it, but I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to cut this rectangle across here. I'm going to label this one a bit different. I'm going to call this rectangle X. I'm going to call this one down here rectangle Y. So the area, good old area formula, is length times width. So we've got to find out first of all X. What is the length of X? The length of X is up the top here, 11 millimeters. 11 times the width here is 6 millimeters. Coming. So therefore 11 times 6 is 66. That was my kids calling out for dinner. I'll be there in a minute. So the length times width is 11 times 6, and that is now the unit of measurement is millimeters squared. Now we've got to find the area of Y. So Y equals, the length of Y is 7 millimeters. So that's 7. And the width of Y, which is this line here, is 3 millimeters. So times 3. So there's a lot of real relevant information. We don't need this here. We don't need that anymore. And we don't need that anymore. Okay. So back to our Y equals the length 7 times 3, which is 21 millimeters squared. So now we know our total of X and our total of Y. So now we need to add total area of this composite shape will equal X plus Y, which equals 66 plus 21. That's going to equal 87 millimeters squared. Okay, we'll try a few of those.